The silence has been broken. Today, it is his cry that awakens the eternal humanhood in me. She now knows what he knew all along. Tonight, there will be a dawn. I am Sarisha Komal, the author of Notes on My Fridge. I am really excited about the launch of my book. Over a considerable period of time, I have done counseling and facilitated female empowerment training sessions. This book is a collection of emotional, physical, and almost spiritual experiences. You just may be able to relate your untold experiences and stories in Notes on My Fridge. I am deeply indebted to Sri Ratanji Sharda, his invaluable care in appreciating this humble offering to both women and men and seeing its potential value is deeply appreciated. Mrs. Asami from Sri Lanka writes, "There is such profound healing already in place, just as I read and then reread your words. Thank you for keeping it real for us all female." Mrs. Radwa from Egypt, "Such experience and feelings has no race, no religion, gender, or financial status. Your words of empowerment are here to reflect the truth and address life." Notes on My Fridge is a sincere, bold, and fearless digest of personal testimonies that brought repressed memories into my immediate consciousness. But as the read intensified, I felt renewed and restored. I sincerely wish we each find our own strength in our conclusions. May you find and draw that which you need from Notes on My Fridge.